Hey, you guys! Today, I'm going to have a life-changing moment. I was going to get my license today. Finally, after 2 years. 2 years, right, Mama?
Yes.
Yes, after 2 years. And I'm so excited because it's just been too long. The first time my permit expired and it wasn't pretty. Oh, that's Mom.
Hey, you guys. I'm your mom. Hi, guys.
Mommy, I think they know that by now. But before I go take my driver's test, because I take it at like 2:30, but I have to be there 15 minutes before, and for me to be there 15 minutes before 2:30, I have to leave at I have to leave at like 2 something. So I gotta be there 15 minutes before. That means I have to be there at 2:15. That means, which means I have to leave here at like 2 something. So hopefully I can find a way to let y'all see that moment where I get my license, or if I don't get my license. I mean, but I'm praying to God that I do get my license, because I gotta make some things happen and I have to do it by myself. So
What's been going on, family?
Nothing. How are you been? How's your mom?
She's doing okay.
Good.
I had to drop her off this morning. She was going to the Kingdom Hall doing some telephone readings. She was in contact today.
I'm at Denny's. My phone is flashing.
We went to dinner last night with some friends.
Really?
Just like in friends' house. She alright.
Are you typing me?
Yeah, I wasn't at first. I thought I was, but I wasn't.
Photography in there?
No.
She's got a vlog.
That's slam burgers. Country fried steak.
What is it? Stuff here.
Oh my god.
Jalapenos, yes.
I feel disrespectful. I forgot to show you guys before I started eating. But I had hash browns and I ate them. There's some eggs. I had a piece of bacon. I ate it clearly. I have a piece of sausage. And then we come on over here to this beauty. We got that good old pumpkin and cream pancakes. Oh yeah. It looks sexy, don't it? Don't it? And everybody else has hash browns, eggs, bacon, pancakes.
You still got your brother's car?
Be careful, guys, so I get
Good
some.
old egg whites,
The Mercedes?
a little egg white omelet, and some fresh fruit. I might steal some.
So,
We got the good old Tarka bacons.
but hopefully, by the time I get back up there,
Garage
it'll be done.
back there. I missed.
Food is good. Food for you. I always have to play the crane. Oh, I suck. Oh, yep, I suck. Officially. It's okay. Anywhere I go, I always have to play the
I didn't
crane.
realize y'all didn't have silverware.
And
We don't use silverware on service day.
most of the time I always win, but then again, most of the time I don't. But it's okay. I didn't win. Hi. Hi, Sable.
Sable likes attention too, but this one, she's a good dog. She really is. We don't know if she's just trying to. We think the dad, the owner, is. I know he's dying, because she went through this thing the other night. Like, she wouldn't come to nobody. She was up and down and up and down and up and down, and just pitiful. But the the next day we found out that they did have to rush him back to the hospital. So you know they real attached. So she's just now trying to get past that. Find her place. She still have accidents in the house. Boo boo. Oh no. So that's what she's working on. She goes out. Can you smell it? Well, you wouldn't smell boo boo, but you would smell urine. That's the one thing you can't smell.
Was she
But
not
the food
trained
that we have her on, we think she's trained,
What you do?
but she's just like, I don't know.
Isn't she the
don't like to-
sweetest?
Every time we leave, she wants to go. She can't stay here. When I got her in the car, she wants to get out with me. And when
She
I
probably
get
has
the,
a detachment thing going on.
That's what
She-
Bubba had too. Bubba
Yeah.
didn't want you to leave him nowhere because once you left him,
yeah, oh my goodness, the first few days she cried so bad. We couldn't even open up the door. Cause she took off down the street a couple of times. But she did good. When I came and opened up the back door, she didn't run to the door. She probably thought she was in trouble.
oh my gosh, she's the sweetest. Oh, you're so cute.
She needs a haircut already, but we can't do anything until we get the rest of the papers.
Can you sit?
Sit down.
Hey,
Sit down. Blue.
hey, Blue,
Sit
sit.
down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Stop. Stop. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh yeah, you got to work on that one, pal.
Sit down. Good girl.
Good
Sit
girl.
down. Good girl.
How old is she?
3.
Oh yeah.
See, I'm 3.
Bubba was only
Come on.
a couple months old.
See, this